We are a home solutions brand.
So the top 3 things for installing LED lighting, I'm gonna give you an example. We're on a project, we're doing light up baseboards. It takes a lot to put these things in, lots of wire, lots of runs, but we have a baseboard right here coming down. What this will do, we'll tie this into our track. Our track will fit into the wall here. We will solder and put everything into here, and then we'll have a screen that goes flush with this that snaps on, and then it'll be completely nice LED lighting all the way down. And they're great things to use because you can use them all over the house for all kinds of accents and detail. We've got one here, one in this corner. We've got one in that corner. I've got one in that corner, one in that corner, and every one will have a hookup as it goes all the way around. Top 3 things for installing LED lighting. One would be the type of LED lighting you're running. You want to make sure if you're looking directly at it, or if you're not looking directly at it, what kind of LED light it's going to show. So you're a dotted light or a consistent light. 2, making sure your home runs are correct as far as your wiring for your distance. So make sure every wire where it's going for LED, making sure that is all out in the right distance. And 3 would be your LED length. Make sure you don't have your LEDs too long, because as the longer it gets, the more the lighting will dim down. So there's your 3 tips on LED lighting, so keep that in consideration if you're putting them in.